If you're planning a trip to North America, choosing the right eSIM provider can save you time, money, and stress. Today, we're comparing two major players, Esim247 and MintMobile. Esim247 stands out for its flexible data plans, perfect for frequent travelers moving between the US and Canada. They offer solid coverage and straightforward setup. However, MintMobile is a strong contender, known for its budget-friendly packages, though it doesn't offer the same flexibility as eSIM technology. For those who need unlimited data without the hassle, Yesim is an excellent choice. With Yesim, you can enjoy unlimited data packages and standard plans for North America, ensuring you stay connected wherever you go. Check out Yesim's unlimited data packages here. Esim247 and MintMobile each have their strengths, but if unlimited internet and easy activation are your priorities, Yesim is worth considering. So, which eSIM provider should you choose? It depends on your specific needs. Esim247 offers flexibility and ease for cross-border travelers, while MintMobile provides cost-effective solutions for those staying in the US. But if you're looking for unlimited data and seamless setup, don't miss out on Yesim. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, give this video a like, and stay tuned for more travel tips.